Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate and connect WooCommerce with Pinterest. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're using WordPress for the WooCommerce platform. If you're using WooCommerce on a different platform, you can go right there and it's going to be similar, but the steps are more or less the same. So what you're going to do is open up the plugin section and set up WooCommerce store if you have not already. Once you have done that, we can proceed to the next steps to go ahead and integrate with Pinterest. So what you're going to do once you've set up your store is go to WooCommerce.com. This is the official website, and open up the extensions marketplace. It's going to look like this. From here you can get started browsing all the extensions that you have that you can add to your WooCommerce store, and what we're going to do is use the search bar right here at the top of the screen and search for Pinterest. As you can see, by searching for Pinterest, this is going to give us this result right here, which is the extension we are looking for. That's going to enable us to get our products in front of Pinterest users searching for ideas and things to buy. So this is going to enable you to integrate Pinterest with your WooCommerce store, and all you have to do is just click the add to store option right here. By clicking add to store, it's going to enable you to go ahead and integrate this with your store. Follow the steps to go ahead and connect it to the WooCommerce store you have set up right here on WordPress or a different platform. And once you have done that, you can get started with the integration part, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.